Good morning. I thought that today I would do a realistic morning routine. I'm just waking up here in Dallas. It's freezing. We're supposed to have snow this week, which doesn't surprise me because it's my birthday week. That's okay. We'll stay warm and cozy. Let's get started on my morning routine. So if you're new here, I'm Renee. I post videos that are all about health and wellness and lifestyle, and I'd love for you to join us. Very first thing I always do when I get up in the morning is put my contacts in. Before I go downstairs to make coffee, I like to do my first part of my skincare because it's kind of the messy part, and I like to get it over with. And I also have to say that my skincare that I'm doing right now, I'm not gonna say it's unhealthy, but I honestly have no idea what's in these products. So after I put my hair up, first thing I do is just wash my face. Pretty simple. Oh, you know what else I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put these little guys on to keep my pajama sleeves out of the way and keep them from getting soaked. If you haven't tried any of these, they're pretty great. Although I'm just realizing these are the same ones that I used last night, and so they are a little damp. But I've been using the Zeo Skin Health products since my little incident with the remounter in August. I'm gonna do one more messy thing before I go downstairs. And this is something that I have been doing since, I guess, about early December. I have really bad winter allergies. And so my allergy doctor has me trying something new this year. And that is this saline spray. It doesn't have to be this brand. There are lots of different brands. I usually would only use this after I was already sick, but now I've been using it as a preventative once or twice a day. I mean, it's really worked. Usually by now I'm like so sick from allergies, but it's really messy. It's really gross. It's not as bad as it looks like it would be. And I'm not going to do this on here because it's super gross. This is a new can. You kind of lean over the sink and you spray this, and you spray this in your nose. It's not like the old waterboarding thing of doing the neti pot. I like this because you know it's sterile. You don't have to mix anything up. You don't have to add your own salt or anything like that. Just spray it until you can kind of feel that it's like in the back of your throat, which is easy because it's salty, and then you blow your nose. Not only does it get any congestion out of the way, it also, the salt calms everything down. It's been working well for me this year, and I love the fact that it's totally chemical free. So I'm gonna do that next, but I'm gonna spare you the view on that. Oh, so I wanna show you this a little bit closer up. So this is kind of a little nozzle on it, and I'm gonna attempt to show you how the mist is. I hope it doesn't go all over the place. I think you can see that. Okay, so it is not quite as strong as a neti pot, but it's a lot more than just the saline nose spray. That's that. Let's go downstairs and make coffee. Daisy, are you ready to go out? Oh, I hate it when I get a message on this coffee maker. It says I need to add more coffee beans. Fortunately, I've got plenty of my very favorite coffee, Tea Junkie. It's all organic. I like decaf, so it is made decaf with the Swiss water process instead of with chemicals. So I love this, and Heavenly Hazelnut absolutely cannot be beat. I'm just gonna top this off. Now it's all set to go. Every morning I drink bulletproof coffee. I love it so much, and this was the first thing ever in my life that got me off of the super sugary coffee, the Starbucks drinks, and all of that. I cannot wait to have this every morning. I make enough for myself and for my husband. So right now I'm brewing the coffee. I'll brew 4 cups, and that's gonna be enough for us to each have good coffee cup serving. While I'm waiting for the coffee to brew, I'm going to make some lemon water. I've already got a lemon sliced for that. Already have a lemon sliced, and I'm just gonna squeeze all of this into the glass. I might decide I want a little more. This is just my basic lemon water. Later in the day, I'll start drinking my water with apple cider vinegar in it, but usually that's early to mid-afternoon. I almost did that all hot. Now I gotta add some cold so I can actually drink it. So I'll drink this while I wait for the coffee to finish brewing, which you can kind of hear in the background, the grinder. Great way to start off your hydration in the morning, and the lemon in the water is so good for your liver and kidneys. I've been drinking this every single morning. 15 years. I got this idea from Elle McPherson. So now I'm gonna blend the bulletproof coffee. First thing I'm gonna do is put my 4 cups of decaf in there. Then I'm gonna add some grass-fed butter. Today I am using Kerrygold, which is what I usually use. A little Ceylon cinnamon. I don't do too much this time of year because it can like irritate my allergies in the summer. I go heavy on the cinnamon. Last ingredient, the MCT oil. This is a coconut oil. The MCT stands for medium chain triglycerides. It's known for giving you great energy, which is why I love it in the morning before I work out. So like I say, this will be enough for my husband and I both. And you may be looking at that and you're thinking, okay, she just put butter in her coffee and she just put MCT, some kind of oil in her coffee. No sugar, nothing sweet. Not only will this not raise my blood glucose, it will lower it. So it's a great way to start off the day. And those fats keep you full. If I want to, I really probably will not need to eat anything until about 1 p.m. I might eat before that. I may have some eggs. Just saying, I don't have to. Look how great it looks. It looks like it has cream in it, and it doesn't, and it's all nice and frothy. I'm gonna pour it into my favorite coffee mug. This is who's building our new home we're working on, our 4th project with them, so it's obvious we really like them. This coffee will be so smooth, not bitter. I mean, it makes me completely forget about my former beloved Starbucks mocha. You may be saying, Renee, I don't have time for this in the morning. So here's some things you can do to save time. You can measure out your ingredients the night before, your butter and your MCT oil. Of course, the cinnamon's easy. Maybe you have a coffee maker where you can set a timer and your coffee's ready when you come downstairs and you just put it all in the blender and go. It's so worth trying. I'm going to link my recipe. I have a video where I've done the whole process and I'll link that. While I'm waiting for the coffee to cool down and I'm working on finishing up my water, I'm going to take my morning vitamins. This is all D and one of these is potassium. So I'm taking 20,000 IUs of D right now because it's winter time, but check with your doctor first on that. I'm gonna go in here and check on things in the command center this morning while I finish my water. It's super messy in here, but this is where I keep all my stuff, all my millions of lights and tripods and cameras and editing equipment and everything. And it just keeps growing. I can't even fit everything in here. Yeah, I'm hoping to resolve that soon. But yeah, I just wanted to come in here and check and see how the subscriber count went overnight. Just check on a few other things. You ready to come in? Okay, let's go back upstairs and finish with the morning routine. A new thing in my morning routine is my vibration plate. I like to get on this for a little bit when I first wake up, and I'll watch a little YouTube while I'm doing that, maybe work on my to-do list for the day. A vibration plate does quite a few great things for your body. The main reason I wanted to have it is because I know it helps move your lymph fluid around in your body. It also improves circulation. You're actually burning calories when you do this. When I'm on here at level 5 for about 5 minutes, I burn like 120 calories. I know it's not much, but I could stay on here for 30 minutes if I wanted to. It's also just great for stimulating your muscles, which is why I've started doing it in the morning now. I was doing it at night for a while. Now I like to do it first thing in the morning. But this looks crazy since I'm shaking and the platform is shaking. Now that I've had my water and I've made my coffee, I'm back upstairs and I'm going to finish my skincare routine. That's more of the Zeo Skin Health products. First one that's going to go on will be the Daily Power Defense. It's interesting how these products don't have any oil in them, but my skin is more moist than it's been in forever. Really, like in my 20s, I'm gonna say. This has been amazing. Any leftover I have of that, I'll put that on my neck, maybe even on the backs of my hands. Okay, the next one's gonna be the Bright Alive. That one, especially in the area where my scars are. Over here to the sides where I have a little bit of pigmentation. You know, I played tennis for years and I always wore sunglasses, always wore a visor. I'm guessing this part of my face was not as covered as it needed to be because there is a little bit of hyperpigmentation there. Final one is the Renewal Cream. I'm putting this on my neck and chest area. And now that I've done that, I'm going to do some under eye patches and I'm gonna wear these while I'm getting dressed. I wanna work out today, so I wanna put on some workout clothes, but I also need to go run some errands. I will, put on something that I can wear for both things. I think I'm just gonna work out from home today. Still kind of battling these allergies and trying to prevent myself from going into full sinus infection like I do every January. May just do kind of an easy cardio workout from home. One of my errands for today is to go go by Sephora and return a few gifts that I've received that I actually already have. When I go, I think I need to get some more eye patches. I think I may get, these are the Summer Fridays. I think I may get one box of the Summer Fridays and another box of the Road. Now I'm gonna go get dressed. One thing I wanted to show you real quick, and this is not sponsored or anything, I never thought I would ever be able to do one of these aluminum-free deodorants with none of the chemicals or anything, but it's so easy. I mean, I've found so many brands that are great. I love, of course, the RENEEPOLYPURE brand. I have this in 3 different fragrances. Lately, I've been trying the Way, their St. Bart's fragrance. I love this. They go on smoothly, they're not sticky, and they work, which is what's really important. I'm gonna use this one today because it's cold out. Maybe I'll feel like I'm in St. Bart's, who knows? So another thing I'm doing this morning is it's time for me to change out my levels blood glucose monitor. This is a CGM that I have been wearing. I just started it again because I really would like to try to wear this all year and find out as much as I can about the food I eat. And even though I'm not diabetic, I'm not pre-diabetic, but I want to get my blood glucose even lower because I think I could be maybe pre-diabetic. You're supposed to have, if you're non-diabetic, you're supposed to have your blood glucose level in the range between 70 and 140. My average has been about 106. And so I'd like to get my average down below 100 for sure. I'm working on it, and I'm also just kind of doing it for the research aspect of it. But you can get, without a prescription, if you don't have diabetes or anything, you can get these through Levels, just levels.com. This is not sponsored at all. I kind of wish it was, but anyway, so I got to put this on right now, so check it out. I'll go over my arm with some alcohol. Here's the applicator. I open it up. Here's the device in there. You can almost see that tiny little hair-like needle? Okay, that's what goes into your skin. And honestly, you do not feel it at all. Let me make sure I'm putting it somewhere that I want it to be. And there we go. I mean, I'm a needle phobe, and I do not feel a thing when I put that on. Now I'll put a couple of other stickers over it, and it'll be all good. So now I'm gonna make myself a high-protein breakfast before I head out on my errands and get ready to go work out. So I'm gonna show you what I'll make. So I'm going to scramble 3 eggs. I'm going to have 2 pieces of uncured Canadian bacon. This is from Neiman Ranch, really good quality. And that's it. This is a breakfast that will help keep my blood sugar stable, and it may even cause it to go lower. I'll let you know in this video after the fact if it went lower, because it will take about an hour to an hour and a half for the results to show up. I'm gonna scramble my eggs in my new caraway skillet that I love so much. I'm just gonna put like this little smidgen of butter in there. I love this so much because it's completely non-toxic and it's so easy to clean. Thank you for joining me today for my morning routine. I am about to head to the gym and then to run my errands. I really appreciate you coming along. If you like what you saw here today, please consider subscribing to my channel. We will have lots of great content this year for those of us who are very interested in health and wellness, but with a glamorous twist. See you soon. Bye-bye.